It's a new update of the Scayana Brothercrime. It still don't got the string on it, because I just got it yesterday. It's used. I got it from a mountain mission. Oh no, I just skipped it over. It's huge in person, but it probably don't look like it on camera, don't it? Opening doors. Well, you all have to know that because Brother has a bunch of features. Sounds and lights, which don't work. They used to work last night. Now they're dead. Again. Stabilizers. Scayana. Flat nose. And it's just like the real thing. What are you doing, baby kitty? Kitty, 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 kitty. Kitty, kitty. Kitty. What are you doing, buddy? What are you doing? Bye-bye.